Breakfast with Bobby and Lindy.
This is what you
Okay.
need to identify, Chantal. What is this?
Okay, I think it's like a bicycle seat, normal bicycle, not an exercise bike, when you move the seat up and down.
Let's see what the ref has to say about that, Mr. Ref.
Hey, Mr. F, is Chantal 50,000 Rand richer?
You are 100% correct.
I can't even scream too loud because I'm at work. I won't.
You can scream, Chantal, go for it! Woo!
Thank you so much. I've been trying since this blooming thing started to get
Remember to tune in to Smile Breakfast tomorrow morning. We're going to have a brand new Smile Secret Sound.
Smile Breakfast with Bobby and Lindy. Back tomorrow when you wake up.
The rest of my life gon' start today.